So you want your boring chrome emblems to be black but not spend a bunch of money? Well, in this series, I'm blacking my wife's Audi out for less than $100, and in this one, we're tackling the emblems. Let's jump right into it.
Now when you're giving your car that smoked out look, you want everything black, so you can take the lame chrome emblems off by debadging it, or you can spray them black. In my case, I removed some emblems, but want to keep the Audi logo and give it a matte black finish. There is a perfect spray for this known as Plasti Dip. First thing that I do is take that can and put it in the sun. Any spray cans warmed up a bit helps reduce orange peel by atomizing the paint a little bit better. Then I prep the emblem with some spray away glass cleaner to remove the big dust and dirt, followed by some isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber for all the remaining oils and grease. Polish always gets stuck around these emblems and edges, so make sure you get the emblems from every angle and all the little nooks and crannies. Then one last swipe with a brand new microfiber to make sure all the dust is away. Mask your emblems off, leaving about 1.5 to 2 inches of space around the emblem. And while I'm masking this off, if you like tutorial videos that don't drag on, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. I finished masking off with a big old plastic sheet protecting the whole car from overspray. Then grab your warmed up Plasti Dip, shake it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Give yourself some test sprays and lay on about 3 medium to light coats, allowing 30 minutes in between each coat. You want to change the angle from which you're spraying to make sure you're hitting the chrome from all sides. Once it's dry, after about 4 hours, you'll want to remove all the masking and start peeling away the Plasti Dip on the paint. That is the cool thing about this stuff. It peels right off the paint but stays stuck to the chrome. Here's a trick to getting these small spots started. Get a toothpick and rub the plastic dip out from a corner. Then grab some small needle nose or tweezers and grab that little ridge you just made so you can pinch the film and remove it the rest of the way.
The emblem is looking sweet, and that was the entire video. I hoped it helped you make your car look a little bit more snazzy and updated. If it did, don't forget to check out my channel for more of these car related videos, and thank you for watching.